Mama, ik wil eigenlijk 1 croissant. Ik wil eigenlijk 1 croissant.
Ja, 1 voor jou, 1 voor mama. Oké?
Ja. Mama, hij is bijna op deze.
Bijna op.
Ja, maar heel klein beetje in.
Emma, good morning, titas. Good morning, titas. Mama is back.
Mama is back.
Are you happy that Mama is back? Me too, huh, babe? Babe, can I smell your breath, babe? Babe? Todo. Again. Whoa, that smells good. Did you eat well last night?
Ja.
What did you eat last night? What did you eat last night?
Weet niet.
Noodles. Oh, you ate noodles.
Mama, doet veel te lang.
Forgot. Yeah, I know what you ate. Some. Oh. Drink water, please. Are you going to show the titas what you're going to make? I'm hungry now. Hi, titas. Anna and Papa baked made.
Hey, dat is dezelfde kleur.
Yeah, Anna and Papa made cupcakes. You show them your cupcakes, babe.
Cupcakes.
There.
Pink
Uh,
and pink
another pink, yeah.
and the pink and the
Blue?
nee,
It's blue.
nee, dat is goed.
Oh, green then, huh? I'll see.
Green
And
and
what else?
yellow.
And yellow. What are you going to do today? Are you going to school?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mama, and who's gonna pick you up? Who's going to pick you up? Mama.
Yeah. Oh, Maki.
You forgot, huh? That
Oh, Maki.
you forgot that nose.
Ik zei oh, Maki.
One for you and one for Mama.
Wat voor die?
And then after that, Mama.
Mama, ik wil met deze toch op.
Yeah, I
Met
know.
muisjes.
That's why I'm putting butter already. What did you do with Papa when Mama was in the Philippines? Huh? What did you do with Papa when Mama was in the Philippines?
Knuffelen en tv kijken.
Knuffelen en TV kijken. And did you
Nee, heel klein beetje.
And did you like it? Did you like cuddling with Papa? Was it nice cuddling with Papa while watching TV?
Ja.
Oh, that's nice. And did you make a lot of cupcakes with Papa? Did you bake a lot?
Ja.
Oh, that's
Ja,
nice.
maar papa en ik hebben eentje opgegeten en papa 2.
Oh, that's so bad, hè? Andra, alsjeblieft. One for Mama and one for you. Where's Mama's? Which one's
This.
yours? This one's yours?
Ja, maar ik wil geen boter, mama.
Yeah, but the mousjes cannot stick to the bread if you or the croissant if you don't put.
Maar ik wil die onder
Ah,
die
okay.
muisjes. Onder.
Is that good?
Ja, maar ik bedoel niet hier, hier binnen.
Inside.
Ja.
Ay, gigwa. You said that, oh. You said bow here, oh. Where's yours? This one or this one?
Mama gaat deze eten.
Ansa man ka, oy. Oh, you put it in. Put the mouse in, dali. Okay. Mirror. Okay. And then you eat, yeah? And I'll take the other one. Okay, you do it yourself. Mama will eat the other one. Eet smakelijk.
Eet smakelijk.
Lekker hoor.
Lekker hoor. Lekker.
I miss eating with you, love. Love. I missed eating with you. I missed eating with you.
Okay. Mama. Mama.
Yeah.
Weet je wat mijn buik zegt?
Your mouth say something?
Ja. Die zei dit.
Why? Because your tummy was hungry?
Ah.
No. Good morning sa inyo lahat. Welcome naman po sa panibagong video. Nag-croissant and breakfast kami. Maaga po ako nagising, alas 2.
Mama, my
Ay, sorry. Actually. Ma. Okay, heel goed. Aan de kant. Very good, hè? Okay. Wala na?
ijs is lekker.
Ja. Alas 2 po ako nagising. Hindi pa ako naka-adjust sa time. So, tinawagan ko lang yung mama ko. Maaga akong bumaba dito. And then, when Anna and Ruth go to school and work, so, magnanap po ako. Ito, alas 6, nagising, bumaba, hinanap ako. Tapos, pinaliguan ko na po siya. And then, we're gonna brush your hair. Dry your hair. Gusto niya ng nails. Gusto mapakolor ng nails. See you later. Kain na muna yan. So, na-ready ko na po yung baon ni Aling Maliit. Yung kanyang fruits. May big strawberries tayo. Dalawa lang yan. Tapos, sinlice ko lang. Yung kanyang green na grapes na paborito niya. And then, yung sandwich niya. Ano lang to? As usual, keep fillet na may butter. Yan lang yung pinapaano sa kanila. Basta, importante may fruits siyang dala din. Mandatory po yung fruits. Tapos yung kanyang tubig. Yun na yung dala ni Ana. Nandito na si Mr.
Goedemorgen.
Goedemorgen, titas.
Titas.
So, I'm using my vlogging camera ngayon. Kasi nakalimutan ko na yung vlogging camera ko, guys. Kasi nga, diba, may bibili niyan. Pero hindi na naman niya nakuha. So, I will message her. If she really wants a camera, then I'll sell it to her. But if not, I'll keep the camera.
Why the woman?
Yeah, because last time she wanted to come here, but then you were busy.
No,
So I was already in the
new
Philippines.
camera, you want to use your phone.
No, for now I don't want to buy one.
Phone is maybe good too.
The phone is okay, but the thing is, if I keep using my phone, it will drain
Yeah.
the battery easily and also the memory. Ilang months namin pinag-usapan pala na mag-change ako ng camera, parang ilang months. Last year pa yata yun. Pero, pag we're about to buy na, nanghinahin na naman ako. So, sabi ko, wag na muna. Siguro pag na lang, bago kami magbakasyon ulit ng Pilipinas. So, ready po muna namin si Ana and punta na siya na sa school. Bay, dali na. Dali na kayo. Face there na. Sa mga oy. Muy maisyo oy. Aisha. Ben je mooi? Tuurlijk, hè? Ayaw lang, kay lang. Ik ben nog niet klaar. Sige na, alsjeblieft. Oké, sagdag sa mata. Baby, don't move too much. Pitarong na. Ay, nako. And then your nails will be kapot. You want that? Your nails. After I fix your hair, then you show the titas your nails, okay? Okay? Show the titas your nails na sa'yo sa'yo ka na pa-nails ni mama. Batang sa'yo nagpa-nails ni mama.
Ja, je wingspannen.
Dankjewel.
Deze omdoen? Even wachten tot mama de haren goed heeft. Noem die aan, ja?
Undercut. And then after that, you will wear your ketting. And then you show the titas your nails, yeah?
Heeft papa ook elke keer haar haren zo mooi gedaan? Voor school? Heeft papa ook elke keer haar haren zo mooi maken voor school? Nee!
She said nee. Nagtanong sila kung, di ba, inayos din ni Papa ang buhok mo na ano daw, maganda daw. Sabi niya ni, you didn't like how Papa did your hair? Was that nice lang?
Oh, you should bring this later then. For the talk, I think.
Okay. I should go directly to what time, Bang? Exactly 3?
3, yeah.
Okay.
Exact 3 till 3:10 or 3:15, so in 10-15 minutes.
Okay. And after that, I'll pick her up.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll show the titas your... Then show the titas your nails. That will do it. How can you do that? You don't know how to do it, love.
Dat is moeilijk aan, dat is moeilijk. Zal papa meehelpen, samen? Kom, ga maar staan. Beetje naar voren, kan papa erbij? Beetje naar voren staan. Ja, dan moet je zo bij de nek houden. En deze naar achteren doen. Ja, bij de nek zo en deze naar achteren, zo. Ja. Kijk, dan moet achter de nek moet die goed zijn, hè?
Just, you know, she likes jewelry already.
Ja, and I have 2 expensive wives here in the house.
Any ones and girls.
Girls. Wow.
Make sure the titas your nails and your ketting. Yeah? Now have a nice day, titas. Come here. You got wax now.
Yeah, she wants to show the nails.
Yeah. Sama, have a nice day, titas.
Have a nice day, titas. Ja, maar papa, die tas moet wel mee.
Ja, die doen we meenemen. Hè. Mama, iets gekkie bij jou. Doe maar skietelen. Doe maar skietelen. Skietelen, doe maar skietelen. Je zegt mama, handen omhoog doen en naar links kijken.
Nee, joh.
Je handen omhoog, mama. En naar links kijken.
Mijn tante Appel deed dat ook.
Papa,
Ja?
can you also put the luggage upstairs?
Oh ja, I will do it.
I should leave. You need help? Or you can already do it yourself? Wow. Are you sleepy? Kuy, wala na. Nanghuyab naman eh. Are you sleepy? Upake. Yeah, I'm going to call Tante Vanji. And then timing.
Timing today.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Lunch tayo. May salad ako dito na may, ano siya, pasta salad siya. Tapos may bread and egg. Si Ruth nagsasalad din. Pero may meat yung sa kanya. Tapos may nakakain na yan 3 eggs. Healthy living na si Ruth.
Ja, high five.
Kain. Kunin ko, punta po akong school. Pupunta na po ako sa school ni Ana. In 3 minutes, yung aking appointment. Tapos, i-ano ko na din siya, i-pick up ko siya after ng appointment niya. Appointment ko. Talk with her, with her teacher.
One eternity later.
Hello, titas! Bahay na po kami. And ayan, nagsasnack na ng cookie niya si Aling Maliit. Nagalit siya kanina or nasad siya kanina kasi nanghingi siya ng Nutella. Sabi ko, huwag mag-Nutella. So, nasad siya. Pero yun pa din. Nag-cookie pa din. Is it lekker? Is it lekker pa? Is it lekker? Hi, titas! Mag-relax po muna kami. No? Ito na yung mag-ama ko. Kain na kami. Steak lang kami tonight. Oh, ayan. Pork. And then beef. Yan ang kain namin. Konting fries. Yan na may soup. It's Makalek.
It's Mcleod.
Bye, titas.
Bye, tita.
See you next time. Duy-duy. Kita naman po tayo sa susunod na video. Thank you sa mga nag-message. Nag-comment. Hindi ko lang masyadong nare-replyan pero thank you po. Maraming salamat and kita-kita naman tayo sa susunod na video. Duy, mush mush babush. Duy, papa.
Bush, bush, babush. Doei, doei.